Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Rocking the merch right here. Links below if you guys want to check that out. I sell some merch on Teespring, but today, guys, got a quick video talk about the Series X. Just a quick update video. Maybe go over some pricing and stuff like that. But guys, I made a video a little while back, and I said if that video gets 100 likes, then I'll buy a Series X. Guys, we're like really close to this. Let me just switch over to my screen recorder. Check this out. This video now has 90 likes. So guys, go ahead over to this video. I'll probably link it in the description of this one. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll buy a Series X. That's literally on 90. So if you guys want me to get Series X, do a bunch of content around that, definitely go ahead over there and leave it a like. So guys, the Series X, not much news has come out. They released a bunch of gameplay for it, which I did check out. The graphics looked good, but I've noticed there's only marginal improvements over like previous updates in console generations, like going from like Xbox 360, Xbox One. The graphics was pretty intense, and then the original Xbox going to 360 was pretty intense. So now we're seeing like it kind of level off in terms of like marginal graphics improvements. Obviously, that happens over time. The human eye can only detect so much detail, and you can only alter colors and add ray tracing and stuff like that to make it so good. But right now, it's like the consoles are pushing graphics to the max. The graphics card is going to be insanely powerful, but one drawback is just the human eye in general can't actually observe these changes very well. We can only really see in 60 frames per second. I know people say you can see 120 frames per second. I don't know if that's actually scientifically proven at this point. So yeah, if we head over here, there was this like leak that PS5 was coming out with like their price drop, but it's just a load of nonsense at this point. Also, guys, comment down below which console looks better in your opinion. I know that this PS5, this is just a render at this point. Like, I don't even think we have pictures of the PS5, which is really weird. Because like that's not even the rendered the leaked controller that came out. But yeah, like so this article was like talking about the leaked price, and then it's like, oh yeah, like we only know a range. Such a clickbait article. Nearly $900, just under 400, which is complete nonsense. That range is way too wide, and that literally tells us nothing about the console. If you guys have any ideas about how this console is going to be, all these next gen consoles are going to be priced, leave those in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. And I know PS5 came out with their gameplay. I don't know what game that was, but the graphics look good. I mean, you can't really complain at this point. The consoles are going to be very strong in terms of graphics, in terms of the CPU, the GPU, and then hopefully the social networking aspect of the consoles isn't thrown away, because that's a big part of it. Hopefully they improve like party chat quality, and just streamline that whole process. So yeah, guys, leave a comment down below which console you're excited about, either Xbox Series X or PS5. I would love to hear that in the comment section down below. Go check out that video if you haven't already, and make sure to leave it a like. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to check out the Life Made Easy podcast. Got some big plans, big plans coming for the podcast. A lot of changes coming, so I hope you guys are ready for that. We've been putting out a lot of work for the podcast. We actually have an episode dropping today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so don't miss that episode. We have an interview, the professor actually, so giving you guys some leaks on this channel about what the next episode is, which is unreleased. So yeah, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Awesome interview. Learned a lot from it, honestly. I'm learning a lot, not only about myself, but other students in general on the podcast. It's a great environment to learn and just share your thoughts and opinions and stuff like that. So yeah, podcasting is definitely fun at this point. Probably gonna like work on growing the brand, advertising, stuff like that in the future. So guys, go sub to, we have an audio version as well as a YouTube channel. It's linked in the description at Life Made Easy Podcast. All available on all podcasting services: Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, all those services. And then we also have a YouTube channel, which we post the video version. We do all Zoom calls to record it, since we're remote right now. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you all found this useful. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification down below, and I will see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy.